When a tiger and a lion mate. You might be wondering, aren't these two different animals? In addition, aren't they found in different continents? In that case, how could they mate? It's not just that tigers can mate with lions, but they also produce offspring that are interesting. But the most interesting thing about their mating patterns is the fact that tigers and lions don't naturally pair up. There are many instances known where this combination mates to create what is known as a liger. Watch this video if you want to find out how male tigers mate with female lions. There are approximately 100 ligers that exist in the world. The largest liger in the world weighs around 900 pounds. Ligers weigh roughly twice as much as the average tiger or lion. Successful mating between a male tiger and a female lion is rare. However, when the process is successful, the offspring is called a tigon. It is important to note that such matings can only occur in captivity, as it's not possible in the wild, due to the fact that these animals are known to attack tigers when he approaches female lions. As a male tiger approaches a female lion, he will take his time. Surely a pride of lions will be nearby somewhere. The female lion is reluctant and will not let the male tiger come closer. When she does, they might end up mating, but it will anger the pride. Once the mating is done, the pride will attack the male tiger brutally. The lions go after the male tiger because they are protective of the members of their pride, and such crossbreeding is something we don't see much in the wild. There are rare instances where a male tiger and a female lion would mate successfully, but they happen once in a blue moon. Most of the time, the lions will attack the tiger and possibly kill him. As the female lion and the rest of the pride pursue the tiger, he will flee as fast as he can. After all, the most important thing in the jungle is survival. The male tiger will approach his streak, who will immediately realize that the lions are following him. Of course, the tiger will attack back in order to save his life and inflict some damage on the lions. The pride and the streak will engage in the fight of their lives. They are fiercely protective of their group and will not allow anyone to be harmed. Because of this, male tigers and female lions do not mate. Almost always, such mating will be unsuccessful, resulting in a brutal fight between the two. So who will come out on top in the end? Is it the tigers or the lions? Anything can happen in the wild, and anyone can win. For the streak and the pack, it all comes down to skill and intensity. Only the strongest survive, because it is difficult to live in the open without protection, which is why members must protect one another no matter what happens. Of course, such mating does not occur in the wild because these animals live on different continents. When tigons mate, it is usually in captivity or through artificial insemination to create this hybrid. In the wild, the most common mating is between a male lion and a female tiger. A liger is the offspring of such a mating. These breeds are becoming increasingly popular, and you will see them in the wild on a regular basis. A liger is regarded as an exotic luxury hybrid breed all over the world. So far, you've witnessed a wild animal attack as a male tiger attempting to breed with a female lion is always attacked by the pride. Who will triumph? We don't know, but we do know that each animal will do everything in its power to protect its members and the group as a whole.